You can turn your listing photos into a video tour like this. No filming needed. Then customize it with video effects, music, and branding. Here's how to turn listing photos into a polished real estate video tour in ListingWiz. Click Create Video. Upload your listing photos or paste a Zillow listing URL to import them directly. Once your photos are added, each scene gets a default push-in motion. You can keep that or customize each photo individually with a different motion or effect. For the first few clips, I'm using photo transition. I'm connecting the first 3 photos by choosing the exact start frame and end frame for each transition. So the video moves naturally from the drone shot to the driveway and then closer to the front door. It feels like a continuous property tour, not separate photos playing one after another. Then I'm mixing in simple camera moves like push in, pan right, and pan left. You can also add stronger effects like virtual staging when you want to enhance an empty room. Next, choose the format. I'll use landscape because most listing photos are horizontal. After it's generated, you can export a vertical version anytime for Reels, TikTok, or Shorts. You can also add an intro, outro, captions, and AI voiceover for a more complete listing video. For this example, I'm only adding background music. Choose a music track here. You can always adjust the video customization later if you want to change the style. Review the summary, then generate your video. That's it.